Okay, here I will continue the story. The next day, the Australian groups entertainly include about trip on Whistler, followed by a visit to the Liberty Plains and to the Nixie Pagoda before returning to the hotel for dinner at taking advantage of the free evening. David and a young woman called Kava, whom he had preferred on the trip, snuck across the road from the hotel to the park opposite, overlooking which lake. There they focused to play with mates, practicing the art of matching flicking that she had taught him. His intro standing a match upside down with its head on the string perches and flicking it wide it with your fingers and pushing its spiral of two. David recalls hopefully and universally enthusiasm for the utility that day the park did charge free. But David and Keva insisted charge the entrance for a 15-year-old boy, Jack Ma. David recalls it was on the free evening, walking match in the park that I was that I was approached by a young man waiting to try his normally accurate English quiz on me. He introduced himself with speech pleasantries and agreed to meet in the park again. One July for one July for their last day in Hangzhou, David introduced Jack to his sister, Susan, and invited him and some other local children to play visible with them in the park. David described the games to me, marking out to playing are with sauce and other items. We were soon surrounded by hundreds of chains spectators. Jack's father, Maleva, took parts of the game. David's father, Ken Morley, once described his first impressions of Jack as a brown boy or a start helper. He really wanted to practice his English, and he was very friendly. Our kinds very impressed. David described how the family stayed in touch. What followed the meeting was a painful relationships that I keep up for a few years until my father started to take interest in help this young man. Jack Wall course regularly with Ken, refused to his us that who asked him to double speech his letter to that my courteous could be sent back in the speech. David explained David explained the original with courage was return of learning proposed with the reply letter. I believe this greatly helped the accommodate Jack to continue with his English studies. Armed with its producing English, rich knowledge of the history of the area, and a knack for studying, Jack embraced the opportunity to show more forgiving thoughts around the six of which like he releasing functions, shows where local sports play, crisis and cars and road recount tales. Jack would often accompany his grandmother to build temples to burn in case to worship the gods. He developed a passion for teaching and reading the water margin, a clashing change style that first the number of employees. The latter would set an early hardcore target for Alibaba. But by far his favorite works are those of Hong Kong, Arthur Slow Cha, who works under the pen name Jingzong. Birth is Jingzong Prof. Is in 924. Jin Yong complete in 159 the Hong Kong newspaper Ming Pao, which published many of his early works. In total, he authored 15 novels, and in the Vusiagard, which balance historical and Christian styles of material arts and critically. Jin Yong is highly popular in the Chinese-speaking world. Worldwide sales of his books have topped 100 million copies. There have been more than 90 television series and film adaptations of his work. Sit between the 6th controlly BC and the 18th controlly, Jin Yong works contain store elements of Chinese patriots painting heroic battles against northern invaders such as the Mongols and Manchu. He is obtained a well-known word and operation at Sims University summarized the popular appeal of traditional stories and material arts as follows. In traditional Chinese society, people have their names. The first is with effort. People have to have a good leader so that they can have peace in the country. The second dream is clean official. If there are not clean official, then comes the third dreams curfews. Listening to the sound of flowers blooming today, Jack after travels with a proposal Chi